This is how to make those viral celebrity-style AI selfies, completely free and in under 5 minutes. So first, you'll want to type sora.chatgpt.com/explore into your browser. After that, it'll ask you to sign in, so go ahead and do that. And once you have done that, you should be looking at a page like this. First, you will need a picture of yourself and a picture of a celebrity of your choosing. I chose LeBron James for this one. And if you're insecure, you can also swap yourself for another person. Now you will need to click the plus and select the first photo that you chose. After that, you'll need to do the same again for the second picture. Next, you will need to type in the following prompt, so that your results can look like this. The prompt can be found in the description. Now that you have your picture and your prompt ready, all that is left is to press remix. Now, the loading can take a while, but it'll generate eventually, so just be patient. It takes a while for the AI to do its work. Once your picture is done loading, it can be found in the My Media section in the bar on the left. And here are our results, and as you can see, they turned out quite good. So here are the final results. Make sure to like, leave a comment, and subscribe.